Welcome to a grounding meditation. So if you are in a moment where you feel a little bit ungrounded or uneasy, this may feel like the last thing on earth that you would want to do. However, trusting in this is the exact medicine that your mind and body and heart require to get you back into balance. So I want you to find a comfortable seat for this particular exercise on a couch or a chair or a bench where you can have your feet firmly planted on the floor. Sit up nice and tall, finding a nice length through your spine and the back body. You can have your hands placed on the tops of your thighs, finding a relaxation through this position, and firstly bringing your attention to your feet and the soles of your feet. So feeling the soles of your feet, whether you're barefoot and you're feeling the floor, carpet, or ground beneath you. If you're wearing shoes and socks, just feel how the shoes or socks envelop your feet. Know that the feet are sending messages of groundedness, steadiness, and balance to the brain. You are supported. You are connected to something larger than yourself. Now is the moment for the body and the brain to recalibrate. So firstly, bring your attention to the soles of your feet and feel them connecting in with the ground beneath you. All four corners of the feet pressing down, connecting you into your body, into this moment. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. Imagining that the soles of the feet are drawing up grounded, rooted energy from the earth's core. Draw that grounded, rooted energy up over the tops of your feet. Allow it to go to the toes and the space between the toes, to your left ankle, shin, calf, and knee. Right ankle, shin, calf, and knee. Connecting into both of your legs. They are grounded and rooted into your body. Bringing your attention to the left thigh, hamstring, inner and outer thigh, left hip and buttock. Over to your right thigh, hamstring, inner and outer thigh, your right hip and right buttock. I want you to sink into the chair beneath you. Allow it to support you. You are safe and supported. And now to the side of the body, your left hip to your left armpit, your right hip to your right armpit. Take a deep breath in to the trunk of your body, the back of your pelvis and the back body, and your shoulder blades. Feel your t-shirt or top on the back of your body. And take a moment just to relax your shoulders. coming to the front of your body. So take a moment to bring your attention to your abdomen area as it's rising and falling with every inhale and every exhale. Connecting in with this space of intuition and your higher self. Keep your attention in your abdomen for the next couple of breaths. Following the breath in and exhaling out. Drawing your attention upward now to the ribs, all of the organs protected by the ribs. The space between each rib bone. Healing, repairing, and bringing you back inward. Draw that healing, grounded energy up into your chest and collarbone. And allow this grounded energy to envelop your heart center. So any barriers that you or life has created in and around your heart, you feel them melt away with every breath. Stop here and pause. Feel into your heart space. And know that you are safe and supported. Feeling your whole entire trunk of your body. Allow the breath to make its way in and exhale, letting it go. Come over to your left shoulder, left upper arm, to left elbow. Your left elbow to your left wrist, the lower arm. The hands, wrists, fingers, and palm of your hand. Maybe your hands are on your lap. You can feel them onto your thighs or your pants. Relax your right shoulder down away from the ear. Energy coming down from the right shoulder to your right elbow to right wrist, into your right hand, fingers and palm of the hand. Relax the shoulders down away from your ears. Both arms are relaxed. The whole lower half of your body from the neck down is fully relaxed, balanced, and grounded. Bringing your attention to the position of your neck and your throat, noticing any sensations here. Relax the front of your neck and throat area. Relax the side and back of the neck, feeling it long and supporting your head. Draw that healing energy from the back of your neck to the back of your head, crown of your head, all the way down into your forehead. Relax the space between your eyes. Relax your right ear, the inner ear, outer ear, and earlobe. Your left ear, inner ear, outer ear, and earlobe. You are safe and connected to the deeper knowing areas of your body now. Feel your eyes gently closed, eyelashes caressing your cheeks, relaxing the cheeks down, relaxing your jaw, your teeth, your tongue, space between your teeth. Take a deep, full breath into your body. You are refreshed, renewed, grounded back into this safe space inside of you. Always accessible by taking a moment of stillness and breathing. And trusting that you're exactly where you need to be and you have everything you need in your body, connected to your breath, inside to that deeper sense of knowing. Take 3 deep breaths here, welcoming yourself back home into your body. And reminding yourself that you can come back here at any point of your day, any point of your week, and know that the resistance may still be there, but it's still doing its job for you. And when you open your eyes, I want you to find 5 things that you can identify with your sight. Name them in your head or out loud. Four things that you can touch, feel. Three things that you can hear. Two things you can smell. And one thing you can taste. Welcome back to your body, and you're ready to continue on with your day.